Morning, everyone. So, this week is the World's Adventure Week. So, from 5th of July till the 11th of July. So, today is the day one. Now, this challenge includes that you have to do 1,000 kilometers over 7 days, which is easy, right? Then we have 7 different challenges that we have to do every single day. So today's challenge is that we have to go anywhere, any ride, use this app called RISER app, and we have to share that ride using the hashtag. Simple, right? So I'm going into work. It's early morning. It's still dark outside. I've got work from 8 o'clock today. I usually don't go to work, but it happened that I have to go to work today to change something. So, might as well just use this ride as a challenge for today. And the setup that is on the bike is a very unique setup. You will not see this setup ever again. It's got no panniers, no soft panniers, no hard panniers, no tech bag, no tail bag either. The only thing I'm carrying is my laptop bag, which I hardly carry. This is like one of the most underused bag I have in my whole gear. The ride is only about 20 kilometers, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into work, share this ride using the hashtag. I hope I do it correctly, and then I'm going to come back home in the evening and I'm going to do the same thing again. See you on the road. Alright guys, so I'm just starting that trip now. So this is the first light that second light just near my house. Yeah, this is one big light. Here we go. Alright. So I started work at 8 o'clock. It's only 7 o'clock right now. So plenty of time. It's only 20 kilometers from where I live. It's still dark and it's about 8.5 degrees Celsius. So yeah, like with this whole week of World Adventure Week, the riding thing, right? Oh, wait, thank you. Yeah, we have got winter, right? While the whole world on the northern hemisphere is doing this in beautiful summer, we have to do it in winter. And the worst thing about some of the challenges I'll talk today, right? Like tomorrow, I think we have to do about 890 meters of elevation, right? So at first I thought, 890 meters of climb. And the way I was using the app, I just got it like last week, and started using it a couple of days ago just to see what the feel is like, But I just figured out that it's 890 kilometers, 890 meters of the elevation in total. Now I don't know if this elevation is the total elevation from where I live and go up to 890 meters, or is this the total 890 meters of elevation I have to get from where I live. But if it's the first one, then I'm gonna go from home straight to the place, and I have to find actually a place that would do 890 meters of elevation from where I live as well. Where I live is pretty much near the sea level, So if it's the latter option, then I'm going to this is funny. So I'm gonna go over to the beach first. So I'm gonna start my day 2 journey from the beach, and then start going up so that I can make sure that I'm definitely getting that total elevation. With the elevation, the whole elevation thing, right? It's a bit confusing because at first I thought, oh, it's a climb, but no, it's actually a total elevation you have to get. So we'll have to figure it out what is the closest place near us. And the worrying part is because we're in the winter, it's gonna be snow on most of the areas, and it's actually gonna be black ice on the road most likely, which is very dangerous, you know, if you're not experienced. The other challenge that I think that's gonna be hard is the one with the friends, you know. Also the 390 kilometer challenge would be hard as well. So there's one day where we have to do like almost 400 kilometers in one go. That's gonna be hard. I'll tell you later why that's gonna be hard. Usually distances are not hard for me. Distances like piece of cake, mate. Distances like, ooh, that's easy. Give me like 1,000 or 1,500 kilometers in a day to complete, I'll do it. But it's just because I've been waiting for something since 2020, early 2020. I'm like, please give it to me. Well, nerds are waiting for that since Iron Man 2. Ooh, I just gave it away what I'm doing, didn't I? Yeah. So yeah, I've been waiting since early 2020, and I made the commitment before I knew about this whole challenge thing. Ooh, too close! I'm going too close! Oh yeah, that's right, it's traffic. I forgot how to ride in this traffic. The plan was to come to work, finish work, and then go out for a ride. But it's only, what, 10:20 right now. And we have not finished work. Sadly, my computer didn't work here. So even the new computer that I got, that didn't work here. So now I have to go home and work from home.